Hello everyone, this is Shashi Ghosh from Freshers Camp, back again with regular updates of job notification, be it IT jobs, diploma jobs, government jobs or any other job notification. We also provide you with regular announcements of off-campus job or holding all over India. Today in this video, here I am with the latest announcement of the DXC Technology Off-Campus Recruitment 2023 hiring freshers as Business Process Service Associate. If you're new to our channel and haven't subscribed our channel yet, then do subscribe, like, share and comment down any queries, and also do not forget to hit the bell icon for more further updates. DXC Technology is one of the leading IT services and solution company. DXC Technology has announced an off-campus hiring in its official career website. Candidates who are interested can apply from the registration link which have been given in our description box, and all the candidates are requested to go through the detailed information before applying for the post. Candidates having a degree in BCom, MCom, BBA and MBA can apply for this post from the batches of 2021 to 2023. The job location will be Bangalore, India, and the candidates can expect one of the best salary in industry. Candidates should have a thorough knowledge of accounting fundamentals and concepts, strong written and verbal communication skills in English, should be able to work independently as well as with the team in this fast-changing environment, should have proficiency in MS Office and also have 0 to 1 years of experience in accounting and domain, perform scanning and indexing as per time, process all the invoices assigned within the time, handle all queries and activities as allotted by management, perform all the payments and the payment activities according to the management. So I hope this video was useful to you, so thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for more further updates. This is Shashi Ghosh from Freshers Camp. We'll be back again with regular updates of job notification from all over India. Till then, see you.